Hi guys, it's Alan from Currys here, and today I'm going to show you 3 things that we love about the Samsung Series 6 washer dryer. It delivers fantastic results at super low temperatures. You can put in items of clothing that you've missed along the way, and you can control it remotely from anywhere. Now I'm going to jump over to the lab and we're going to check out this washer dryer in a bit more detail. So, it covers the 2 most important things that you would want a washing machine to do. It deals with stains, and it does so efficiently. So you're saving money without compromising on the quality of the wash. Now how it does this is with eco bubbles, and that's because bubbles penetrate your clothes better than water. And it does all of this on a cooler temperature. So here I've got a stained top. I'm going to put it into the machine and we'll see how it does. Rather than putting loose items like socks and pillowcases in the wash basket for the next cycle, you could just pop it in this one, even after it's started. The Add Wash door lets you put in items even whilst the cycle's going. You don't have to pause or stop anything. And it has Wi-Fi connectivity, which means you can use your phone to manage and control your washing regardless of where you are. And you can now plan your washing around your routine. By scheduling a wash remotely, it'll even tell you when it's finished. So our cycle's finished. Let's grab our t-shirt. There it is. As you can see, not a stain to be seen. If you'd like more information on this Samsung Series 6 washer dryer, you can head into store, pop online, or you can talk with one of our tech experts via a Shop Live video call.